Hi, it's Garrett Wong from Upper Edge Property Management, and today I'm going to be answering a question which a lot of investors ask us pertaining to certain types of fees that can be paid out of their accounts, specifically mortgage payments, property tax, insurance, or condominium common element fees. So investors come to us and say, well, I have these expenses associated with my property. Can you pay them on my behalf? You would think it would be easy for us to say yes, and obviously we hold money in your trust account. We can pay anything on your behalf. However, for these four specific things, mortgage payments, property tax, insurance, condo fees, we normally cannot. And the reason for that is a lot of these institutions insist on pre-authorized payments, pre-authorized withdrawal. Insurance, if you are on the Upper Edge group insurance policy, then we can make those payments on your behalf because that is a program, but we can't pay your insurance on your behalf if they are asking for pre-authorized. Mortgage and condo companies, mortgage payments and condo companies, and City of Winnipeg TIP, tax installment payment program payments, they always insist on a void check and having that money coming directly out of the bank account. However, we run all of your money, because we're licensed with the Manitoba Securities Commission, through a trust account. And when we're holding money in trust, we can't have a pre-authorized payment coming out of that bank account, that trust account, because there's no guarantee that your funds would be in there. So for example, let's say that you had a mortgage payment that was coming out on the 1st of the month, but the resident didn't pay their rent until the 3rd. Well, that would cause a deficiency, a negative balance in the trust account, which is against the Act, the Real Estate Act. So we can't do it for you. However, we do have some recommendations. For property taxes, we would recommend going on the TIP program, the tax installment payment program, but having the payments coming out of the same bank account that we're putting your trust money in. Same thing with your bank. And actually, banks allow you to sort of have different dates that money's coming out. So because our money, rental income is coming in from our trust account into your bank account around between, let's say, the 6th to the 10th of the month, you could set up your mortgage payment to automatically come out of your account on the 15th. That way there's a guarantee that the money's flowing in and the money's flowing out. And the same thing with insurance and things like that. So hopefully that does help. What we're trying to really educate here is that a rental property is a month-to-month business, and we want to make it as seamless as possible for you so that you can kind of set it and forget it. After all, that is why you hired a property manager in the first place. So you want your income coming in, you want all of your expenses coming out, and then particularly your mortgage payments, your condo element fees, and then the money's covered. You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to transfer money. You don't have to worry about yet another bill to pay.